So the Garmin eTrex 30 is waterproof. So I'm going to do a waterproof test in this creek. So we're going to put the unit in the water and I'm going to leave it there for 30 minutes while I do some other videos. And then we'll come back and check to see if everything's okay with it. So let's put it in the water. We'll just pop it off the mount here. There we go. So it's running and it's in the water. So let's take a look and see if there's been any damage to it. I could see the screen on and I could actually read it from back here pretty good. I'm not sure if you could see that on the camera. So the unit is definitely wet. We just pulled it out of the water. Still working. You can still go into the menus. The waterproof cover on the back here. No water in there. Even if this cover wasn't perfectly on, I found that the unit doesn't really soak up the water. But it's always best to make sure that's nice and tight if you're going to get it wet. Let's check the batteries. So I'm just going to dry it off with my shirt a bit, just so that we don't get any water on the inside. Okay, so that's about as dry as I'm going to get it with my shirt right now. So let's open it up. And when we look inside, I don't see any water that actually got in the battery compartment, but I do see, you know, some water here and water along the outside of the gasket, which is all right as long as it doesn't get into the battery compartment where it could get into the circuit board and cause problems. So the Garmin eTrex 30 has passed the waterproof test.